It's kind of weird. Funny how we kind of always meet each other this kind of way. But yeah, man, I honestly don't know what's going on. I tried to, it's been a while. I was trying to, I was waiting to pretty much get my spot open for over at SRG because they've been like swamp. When I say swamp, they swamp. So I had to just wait, be patient because man, a lot of those people's already waiting months ahead of me. So anyway, got that figured out. Last time I drove the car, I filled the gas tank up. For some reason, I think my gas was being siphoned. I assume, and I'm like, it's kind of weird. The only reason I assumed that it had to be somebody siphoning my gas is because there's nothing. So sometimes, you prime to put a little gas in the carburetor or something to get the car started. You let it prime a little bit and then it'll start, and all of a sudden it start kicking over. But for some reason, I put the little gas in there, and it should have pumped enough. The fuel pump should have pumped enough gas to the carburetor, at the time of me trying to get it to start, right? But it'll start and then it'll hesitate and then it feel like I ain't getting no gas. So it feel like I don't have 80 gas in it, like it's starved for gas. So I'm assuming the gas tank was bone freaking dry, and I don't know how the freak the car was bone dry. So basically, I guess I realized I don't have the patience of Mats and Dejas already. He already got it going. So yeah, time to drive it over down to the shop and get everything started, y'all. Made it look easy. Me, I was sitting here, and I guess I was almost there if I would have just kept on persistent. But I didn't want the battery to go dead and then be stuck. So, yep. That's why you can always pay the professionals. By the way, I heard I don't know if he's gonna build this 350, but he might be building the 350. If not, this 350 runs good, but I need power. So if anybody wants to know, I'll find out. When we get on camera a little later, I ask him how much he want for it. See, the hood just closed on his own. The hood closed itself. All right, let me get on out of here and start driving. All right, y'all. I'll punch in. You don't want to drive with the camera.
Hours later.
House shoes and all.
Oh yeah. She gonna be mad because she just bought them for me. I just put them on. I needed some. I didn't feel like wearing them blue Nikes.
Your grip slips?
Mm-hmm. A little bit too much blue for me.
I look for one longer bolt, yep.
And that's the old one, right?
Yeah, that's the one for sale.
That's the one for sale, y'all. So, yeah, it's for sale. $1,700. Cash money. It run good. Now, there ain't no slouch. It just wasn't fast enough for me. I'm trying to, they drive fast stuff. I'm trying to drive fast stuff. I want to be able to keep up with the Roach. I'm trying to keep up with the Roach.
Oh yeah, we're going.
Well, I ain't gonna beat the Roach, but I'm gonna keep up.
We're going to track 2 too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Irwindale. Bro.
No more LA County tracks.
So that's the last one, huh? What about Pomona? So what they doing with Pomona?
Pomona, I think they're only allowed to run twice a year. Only for NHRA twice a year.
That's it?
Yep.
They're open to the public? No, nothing?
It was open recently for that. Did they do a Chevy Fest or whatever? Drive.
Water pump, Tiny. So it goes down or goes up? Just like that, but this part pivots from the water pump. So when the water pump's here, this pivots from it. So you can't really put it on yet until we get the water pump on there.
So this bolt goes through here?
This bolt right here goes through the water pump. That's what I'm saying. When the water
goes down
No.
It's not exactly street legal. Hey, Mike.
Right.
SRG Nation, homie.
You see what happened to our good old sanding work after the freaking just sitting, and it's not even in open elements. All that rust that showed up. On the side?
It's just a bucket.
Not for long.
He has to get his money up first.
You know it. I'm going to be going fast in a minute. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
He thinks he's gonna go fast.
I'm getting the SRG special, homie. What you talking about? I'm about to be. Listen. I see the SRG built. What's the name? 33 stroker before. So, you know what I'm saying. I done seen what they can do. You don't like electric vehicles?
Fuck electric vehicles.
Why?
Gay. Do you like electric vehicles?
They cool, I guess.
Fuck that shit.
It's a diesel power. Because 100 miles on fucking 1 gallon of diesel and 0 to 60 in 4 seconds.
Oh shit. Oh, this is nice. Good job, man. Who painted it? You?
The customer painted it, to be honest with you.
Oh shit. Looks good. I thought it was powder coated at first.
No, I think it's some. I forget what he said. It was some decent coating though. He put a few coats on it.
Oh shoot! No, I got the. I didn't know I had the pumpkin already set up. So all you gotta do is add the axles.
Yep.
Okay.
Put some gear oil in it.
Gear on it.
It hits. Oh no, we
Can
still
you
got
find me a volt?
Now we're doing a brake conversion.
The one that gets.
Oh, you doing brake upgrade?
Power
Yeah, just
steering
brakes.
to the
Oh, disc brake upgrade? Okay.
water pump. I have the one that you said.
Oops, I said it again.
I don't think this is it.
Huh? Oh.
So every man's on a different task over here at SRG. You see that? So Matt's over here. He's setting up the brakes on that. B's setting up that, changing that bolt out for the sway bar, the rear sway bar. Tiny's over here. If I'm not mistaken, he's putting on the what you putting on the
Come on, bro.
what you putting on?
You know what I'm putting it on.
No, I said what are you putting on right now?
The exhaust.
The exhaust? Oh, I thought you was doing the what's name? The converter. Huh?
That's done.
That's done? Okay, see. Moving faster than I thought he was. So now he's putting the what's the name? It's the collector, whatever, blah 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 on the exhaust. And shoot, probably by tomorrow. I better make sure I wake up. I don't care if I'm sick or not. I'm just drinking another hot toddy. I'm drinking hot toddies for the next couple of days.
Please do.
Look, that's why I wanted to bring the germs, because he was like, come on, bring them on. I don't mind being sick. Okay. Now I get you sick, then you'd have been, Matt would have been sick, then B would have got sick, and everybody would have been like, kid fat ass got us sick. Yeah, I'll be cussing my ass out too. Talking about you fucking up the money. And then I'll be on.
That's why we're trying to get this car out of here.
Oh, so my car just in the way? You know what? See how they treat you? See how they treat you? So they treat you with love and hate at the same time. There's some Sour Patch Kids over here. They're trying to get cars out, in and out. You better be ready. I swear this car just pulled up yesterday. The 63 pulled up with me, right?
Huh? Yeah, I think so.
Mm-hmm. It sound good. What is it? A 6 in there? What's in it? What's in the 63?
Fucking less.
It's the LS in there? Yeah. It sound old school. That's what I thought. It sounds like something old school.
That's right.
That's fine.
Man, I'm feeling like my boy YouTubing.
What? You back? Why you walking like? I don't walk like that, bro. Don't try to do me like that.
What's up, buddy? No. Yeah, cool. No, you're good. Yeah. Is there parking out there right there somewhere or no? Oh, okay. Okay. Give me a few minutes. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna then you can just come in here, and I'll take the truck around the corner. Okay. I'll call you. Give me a few minutes. I'll call you, and then you can pull up, and then I'll yeah. I'll let you
Pop out at the party. I'm with the gang. This would be a Rari.
Okay, so you like the back of your head to be cool too, or those are eyes behind your head?
That's like the CEO.
Little bit of like ding me Galileo.
Fire in the hole.
Getting close?
Bro, might have to keep those cards on the lean cell.
Lean to?
Fucking straight fucking shit. Fucking bucket.
Never.
Ever. What?
So Tiny found another issue, matter of fact, that I didn't even think about. Well, I thought about it, took it to somebody, they said he was going to check it out, they didn't end up doing it. I need to do my bushings, see the bushings. They're crap. Body bushings, crap. The bushings of the ball joints are halfway decent. I think just changing out all the bushings. I get a lot of the play out of it, rough ride out of it, and the squeaking.
Fuck this boat.
He's judging my car a little bit too much. And then he said he's gonna try this against that, which is like mission impossible.
Mission complete.
I wouldn't even try it.
Mission is completed. It's a wrap. Fuck, bro. Piece of shit. I'm gonna be able to swear.
Switch me. tomorrow. Then he cuts me out because I got here late. Even though I told him I was sick. Everything's coming into place. So there's the hood, air cleaner, wing nut. Got to get some gas. See if I can find some 100 octane somewhere. So anyway, yeah, it's going on pretty good. I think I'll probably make this video, upload it, edit it, everything, and then I'll put the other video up when I'm coming to pick it up. I'm not going to try to hold y'all too long. Edit up some of this, and hopefully it's not too boring. I know it's going to take a little while for people to get onto it, and then I'll start telling them the story of it, and they can watch it back, and I create a playlist for it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. And then I'm gonna keep actually going film it until it's done. Until it's done today. But then I'm gonna add it to the next video. All right, thank you.